my name is Ronnie Jones and I work at Kendall Toyota Service Department. I've been here going on 11 years now. I think it's a cool environment to work at. You know, you meet different people.
My name is David Unkefer. I am one of the master Toyota technicians here at Kendall Toyota and also one of the shop foremen. I grew up in the state of Delaware. I became a master technician with independence working for Ford cars in the early 80s. As I wanted to further my career, I knew I needed more factory training, and my first choice was Toyota.
My name is Rudy Rodriguez. I'm the service director at Kendall Toyota. Moved down from New York in 2011. Started as a porter, worked my way up as a service advisor to a service manager, and now the service director.
My name is Eliana Mock, and I'm the accessories specialist at Kendall Toyota. I'm from Santiago de Cuba, Cuba. I moved to the States 5 years ago. One of my friends that works here, he suggested I should apply for a job here, and I got the job. Kendall Toyota is a big family, and it's a great company that always encourages you to grow and to do better to reach your goals. So I love working for Kendall Toyota because it has become part of my family and my life.
This is an exciting time at Kendall Toyota. We're doing massive renovations. We're going from 34 bays to 72 bays. We're going to have air conditioning, better lighting, better flooring. We're going to have new equipment, lifts, brake lays, dependable air compressors. I mean, everything is a go for anybody that wants to work here. The volume is already here. We're improving customer lounge. It's just going to be a win-win for everybody, and I'm very excited.
So the renovation is going to allow us to improve our customer experience as well as provide a new state-of-the-art facility for our employees. The team that I work with here at Kendall Toyota, they treated me with respect, they trust me, and understand that I have their best interests.
One thing I love about coming to work, the people here, meeting different people, smiles on people's face, which is wonderful. It's always good to smile. The environment, the company that the employees here keep, everybody's here friendly, so it's cool.
So the Kendall Toyota culture is a family-owned business where they really truly want to know about who you are, your family, and what your passion is.
My passion for cars started when I was a young man. Actually, it started more with go-karts and motorcycles, and naturally grew into a progression to working on cars. I've always said I was raised well, but not well off, so if I wanted something, it was go out and get it and build it.
My passion for my departments, which is the accessory departments, comes from I like to do things different. Cars look unique, and that's pretty much what we do. We customize cars, and we try to make our customers feel happy with a vehicle that looks different from the one that came from the start. What I love about living in Miami is the weather is beautiful. It's always sunny. We always have a summer here. It's very different. It's full of colors, energy, and everywhere you go, there is always like something different that you can see and you can appreciate.
It's fun. A lot of people, you know, sunny, the beach. Beautiful people, you know. It's cool.
So I love living in South Florida due to the weather because we're able to go out and barbecue, go to the pool, go to the beach, a lot of nice restaurants. The weather's just always great, and it always has you in a great mood.
If you like water, which, you know, me, anything with an engine, you know, boating, this and that, fishing, the water for me is the best part, and it's endless. It's endless what you can do here.
The culture and the environment at Kendall Toyota, I think it's pretty cool. The environment, the atmosphere is good. Everybody here is friendly. We treat each other like family, brother or sister. If you a person who decides to come here and work at Toyota, we'll receive you as our family. We cool from the parts department to the service drive. Everybody's like a big happy family. I mean, we get along, we smile, crack jokes all day. Can't go wrong. Take it easy. Have a good day.